Yeah, this video I just want to show you how to change the wiper blades on a second generation Hyundai i30. So the rear blade first, I always use Bosch. This is the Bosch wiper, an A310H. It's a 13-inch blade. So to take the blade off is quite easy. It literally just snaps off like that. So all you need to do is offer up the new blade. That's it, as easy as that. Let's move around to the front. So for the front blade, I buy this twin set, an AR140S, which contains a 26-inch and a 13-inch blade. So to fit it, we just need to lift up the wiper arm. And it's a good idea just to put something in the way so that if you accidentally snap this arm back without the wiper blade on, you don't crack the windscreen. Okay, so to take the old blade off, you see here on the side of this hood there's a couple of little catches that you have to press in and just lift the hood up like that. And then it's just a question of pushing the blade out. That's it, that's the old blade off. So to put the new blade on, you open the hood on the new blade, pass that over, and then you just have to hook the end over of the blade, and that's it. Snap the hood and that's it, job done. So the rear blade wiper, I got one for £9. This set of two for the front cost me about £17.30p. So now you know how easy it is to change the blades and how the sort of price you can get them for. Then you can think of doing it yourself rather than paying what a dealer might charge you to change them. Or even if you go and get your windscreen repaired or replaced, they'll often try and upsell you a set of new wiper blades, but you know, they might charge you £40 or £50 for doing it. But once you know how much they actually cost and how easy it is to do, then it's well worth doing it yourself. Obviously, before you took your car for an MOT, you want to check that the blades aren't split, and obviously that when you use them they don't leave streaks or smears on the windscreen. So I hope you find that useful and it might save you some money in the future. Thank you.